Welcome to our channel Brave Truckers. Welcome to reality. So the reality for today is a road on truck. So guys, you can see this is a 106 tires hauler. You can count them 1 2 3 4 5 6 in the middle. You have 1 2 3 in the front. So overall it's a 106 tire hauler. It has this is a hauler carrying a bridge road on it. Okay. Here you need to see this, guys, because the truck hauler is going to take a turn from here. So you need a very precise judgment to take this turn. Only experienced truckers can do this. So you see how it is done. It's a 106 tires hauler taking a turn. It has a lot of weight and a lot of power also. You can see it always has one pickup truck, one jeep behind this hauler to direct them of what is happening behind. There is a multiple steering for this hauler. You can see on the back of this hauler there is a seat, there's a chair, and there's a person sitting there. So he's operating the steering for the behind part. The back part of this is being operated by that man. Guys, please subscribe to our channel so that we can get you some good more stuff like this. Share it with your friends, that will motivate us. And if you're watching this video till here, thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.